when AI hit a couple of years back, within a very short period of time, the whole team was using things like ChatGPT to bang out pieces of script and, start to work on coding. But then 18 months ago, when Agentic AI hit, this is a completely new way of working. And so we're immediately evaluating how do we take what's working here in our software development practice and apply it to integration. And it turns out that it's not that far removed. So, if code is instructions to perform some task, well, the way that the workflows are described, what's actually behind them is a script, and that's a set of instructions that need to run to create that integration. And so we built Agentic AI into the platform. It was released earlier this month, and it's proving very successful in a few areas. One is for new users. That means that you can go into the platform not understanding any of the mechanics of how you would visually build, not knowing which connectors are available, and use a short prompt to get you from 0 to 1. You can watch it build. And then secondly, for a seasoned user, they are able to prompt things very specifically in a way that is more succinct than creating those steps manually. So that's, so two scenarios where it's really just a huge advantage to use. But I think the key thing is in the word agentic itself, which is, among other things, what it means is that it's able to evaluate the result of something and then take a different route if it didn't work. And we realized that we could do that in Flowgear. So we're using AI to help you build a workflow. We kind of have the design on the screen, but then it's actually able to run the workflow and test the result of it. So it can see the logs, it can see the error message, and if something's wrong, it can iterate on it and fix it. And so much like we see in software development today, you have those kind of gains happening in the workflow design kind of build experience. And it's fun, but also saves a huge amount of grunt work. So we're pretty excited about that. And we think that that's something that's going to be a defining characteristic. It's something that the market is starting to expect as well, but really allows you to build much more competently and quickly than has been possible before. So we're excited about that capability, and that's something that we're continuing to strengthen through this year.